Wow.
Wait, open it. Wait,
Open them? What are we gonna do to them?
wait, open it.
Okay. Right to it, huh? What'd you get?
Uh-oh.
Oh no! Try again. Bring it back over here.
Wow.
Good job. Wow.
All right, put them all together here.
Thank you.
Shoe.
I have a paper shoe. Tuppy. I have a white. I have white.
You're white.
It's white. And then,
Here's another one. Whoa.
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
and then,
There you go.
Try again.
Wow.
Good job.
What is that? Is it a plane? Also, oh my. It's a little super guy.
This one.
What do you have there?
Wait, open this big one.
Open the big one.
Another
Another
big one.
Smashers 8-pack.
Okay.
6 Smashers and 2 figures.
1, 2. Wow, smashers. 8 inside.
Open. Mommy.
You got it.
Mommy. Hello, black. Go pick up.
Oh, it's a stubborn one. Keep trying.
Yeah! The red guy. Look, he's over here. There he is. Let me see. Ooh.
A red football.
Good job.
A football.
Red football. Smash
One
is
more.
tough, huh?
These are the most unsmashable smashers.
How many times is that? All right, keep going. Throw it really hard. Keep going. Try again. These are the most stubborn